I made it to Estonia. I'm in Tallin, and this is the Storytellers Nest. It's the apartment sponsored by Visit Estonia. So I'm here for 3 nights. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of different things, trying some restaurants. I even got a car, so I'll drive around a bit. For now, let's get settled in and get some dinner. I'm staying right up here in one of those apartments. This is my first meal, and I got some chicken katsu. My first morning here in Tallin, Estonia. So I'm headed into Old Town, gonna check out the free walking tour. Here at restaurant thanks to Visit Estonia. I got a gift card for Lieb, so I'm gonna give it a try. I just finished my dinner at Olde Hansa, and that was pretty good. I got a salad with smoked meats and some chicken with vegetables. Pretty good food, and it's like a medieval theme. Food was good and the prices aren't bad at all. I did have a 25-euro gift certificate thanks to Visit Estonia. Today I'm driving around Estonia outside of Tallinn. It's about an hour and a half to get here to this Toolse Castle. At the Viru Bog. This is a pretty cool trail. It goes through the bog, some wooden pathways over the water, so it should be pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Almost back to the car. That was a pretty cool bog. Now I'm gonna try to find the waterfall. So that's my time here in Tallinn. I'm headed to the airport. It's before 5 a.m. Got a 7 a.m. flight. Yeah, but I had a great 3 nights here. Thanks a lot to Visit Estonia, and yeah, I saw a lot, did quite a bit for just 2 full days.